Welcome to Study Loop.
To find the probability that the sample will have between 75 and 80% of patients purchase medication from community pharmacies, we'll use a normal distribution since the sample size is reasonably large at 200. So to calculate the probability, we need to find z-scores for 75 and 80. The mean is 77%, so that's 0.77. The standard deviation is going to be the square root of p times 1 minus p over n, which calculates to 0.03 roughly. And so now we can get z-scores for 75 and 80%. So 75% and 80% is negative 0.667 and 1. So the probability that the sample will have between 75 and 80% is the same as the probability that z is between negative 0.667 and 1. And from a standard normal table or a calculator, that is 0.5926 to 4 places. To find the symmetrical limits for a 90% probability, we'll find the z-scores that enclose the middle 90%. This means we need to find z-scores for the 5th and 95th. So the probability is 90% for the sample percentage will be contained within what symmetrical limits of the population percentage. Again, that would be the 5th and 95th percentile. And that's about negative 1.64 and 1.64 for the z's. So using the formula, that would be z equal, well, for the 5th, that would be negative 1.64 equals x minus 0.77 over 0.03. And so you multiply 0.03 by negative 1.64 and add 0.77 to it. That comes out to about 72.08%, or 72.1%, we'll say. And the upper boundary would be 81.9%. And for part C, for 95%, that's z-scores of positive and negative 1.96. So negative 1.96 equals x minus 77% over 0.03, and positive 1.96 equals x minus 0.77 over 0.03. And that would be (71.12%) or 71.1% and 82.9%.